Welcome to chemistry online classes. In today's class, I am going to explain electrophiles and nucleophiles. Let's start with electrophile. Electrophiles are electron loving species is called electrophiles. And electrophiles are electron deficient species. Electrodeficient species. That means does not have a complete octet in the outermost shell. So I can write here incomplete octet. And electrophiles attack at electron rich site in the molecule. These we call it as electrophiles. Electron loving species we call it as electrophiles, and electrophiles are electron deficient species which does not have a complete octet, and that's why we call it as electron deficient species, and it attacks at electron rich site in the molecule. And with respect to the charge, electrophiles having positive charge or maybe neutral. In the case of neutral, there must be a vacant orbital should be present, then only it is act as a electrophiles. Let's take some of the examples. Chloronium ion, bromonium ion, Br positive, hydronium ion, all this comes under positive charge electrophiles. Nitronium ion, nitrosonium ion. These are the examples for positive charge electrophile. Let's take a neutral electrophile. BH3 or BCl3, KLCl3, zinc chloride, FeCl3, all this comes under neutral electrophile. And all these cases there is a vacant orbital is there. In the boron case there is a empty p orbital will be present. In the boron case here also empty, aluminum case empty p orbital, and zinc case empty d orbital, iron case empty d orbitals which are present. So these empty d orbital is available for acceptance of electrons. That's why we call it as neutral electrophiles. And all neutral electrophiles are Lewis acids. So Lewis acids comes under neutral electrophile. By the definition of the Lewis acid, which accepts an electron pair, that is called as Lewis acid. So all this comes under electrophile. So here in the case of positive charges, I have written halonium ions, nitronium, nitrosonium, and carbocation also comes under electrophile, which is having a positive charge. So these are some of the examples for electrophile. Let's move on to the nucleophiles. Nucleophiles are nucleus loving species is called as nucleophile. Nucleus loving species is called nucleophile, and these are the electron rich species. Electron rich species. And nucleophiles attack electron poor or deficient site who are site of the molecules. When it comes to the charge, nucleophiles having negative charge, or maybe these are also neutral nucleophiles. The condition for the neutral nucleophiles, it should have lone pair of electrons on the species that act as a neutral nucleophile. Let's take some of the examples. Methoxide and phenoxide, all these comes under negative charge nucleophile. And tertiary butaxide, these all comes under negative nucleophile. Let's take a neutral nucleophile. Ammonia, which is having a lone pair of electrons, and substituted amine, primary amines, secondary amine, water molecule, and ether, alcohols. This all comes under neutral nucleophiles. So, with respect to the Lewis concept, these are all Lewis bases. The electron pair donors called Lewis bases. So, Lewis bases act as a nucleophiles, and Lewis acids act as a electrophiles. And in this case of nucleophile, carbanion, the carbon with a negative charge, comes under nucleophile.